Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating project, Ghostwriter, a system that lets you interact with large language models directly on your reMarkable2 e-reader. It's incredibly cool.
Whoa, an e-reader interacting with LLMs? That sounds futuristic. What's the core idea behind Ghostwriter?
Essentially, it's a bridge between your handwritten notes on the reMarkable2 and powerful AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, and even Gemini. You write a prompt, tap a corner of the screen, and Ghostwriter sends your input to the chosen LLM, then displays the response right on your device. It's all about exploring the unique interaction possibilities of handwriting and screen-based feedback.
Amazing! So how does the setup work? I'm assuming some API keys are involved?
You bet. You need API keys for the LLM you want to use. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and you set those as environment variables on the reMarkable itself. Then, you transfer the Ghostwriter binary to the device via SCP, make it executable, and you're ready to go. It's all detailed in the GitHub repo.
And how do you actually use it? Is it just a simple command line interface?
It's more intuitive than that, actually. You write your prompt, then a simple tap in the upper right corner triggers the LLM interaction. The processing is shown with a visual cue, and then the response, whether text or a drawing, appears on the screen. There's also a text assist mode that uses a virtual keyboard for responses.
That's clever. The GitHub repo mentions some early challenges. What were some of the initial hurdles?
Oh, there were a few. Early on, drawing responses directly on the screen was problematic. The reMarkable would sometimes freak out when trying to render complex SVGs converted from the LLM's output. They had to work around that. Getting the gesture recognition and status display working smoothly was also a bit of a journey.
I see. So it's been an iterative process. What are some of the more recent developments?
A lot. They've added support for multiple LLMs, including Claude from Anthropic and Google's Gemini. They've also improved the codebase significantly, making it more modular and easier to maintain. And they've introduced a really cool feature, the ability to use tools within the prompts. This allows the LLM to generate different types of outputs, like text, SVGs, or even trigger external scripts.
That's a huge leap forward. What about the evaluation process? How do they assess the system's performance?
They've started building an evaluation system. They capture input and output, and they're working on tools to compare results across different prompts and LLMs. They even mention the possibility of using another AI to judge the output quality. A judge bot, if you will.
A judge bot? That's hilarious. What are some of the future plans for Ghostwriter?
Well, there are many exciting ideas. They want to improve usability, add more tools, explore conversation modes, and even support local LLMs. The possibilities are really endless. Imagine using this to generate diagrams, manage your to-do list, or even send emails, all directly from your reMarkable2.
This is truly a remarkable project, pun intended. It showcases the potential for seamless integration between handwriting, LLMs, and everyday devices. Thanks for sharing this with us.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.